What's up guys, welcome back to the budget Brat Cafe build that's going on my channel. As you saw in the last couple videos, we got the new hoop and seat mounted as well as wired the taillight. So that all went pretty well. It still isn't perfect, it needs some cleaning up. So today what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be painting the frame where we cut and where we grinded stuff down. So the rear hoop that I bought was actually just made of bare steel, so after it's just been sitting for however long I've had it, it's kind of rusted a little bit. It's just got some surface rust on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that surface rust cleaned off, and then I've got some primer and I've got some paint, and we're going to make it look nice. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, well, that is a wrap on the frame cleanup and painting. I'm really happy with how that came out. The paint is actually looking really good, and it actually looks like the back end of the bike is one cohesive unit now. It's not half painted and half unpainted, so that's really nice. So now that that's done, as I'm sure you probably saw, the wiring wasn't the cleanest setup. but it's functional, so I can ride the bike around if I want. But I think next on my list is going to be cleaning up that wiring and finding a better way to wire the bike up, because I'm not really happy with how it's sitting right now. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with how this budget Brat Cafe build is going. Once you get the seat on a bike, it really transforms it, and now I think I can officially call it a Brat bike. So that's really cool. I hope this build series is showing you guys that you really don't need to spend a lot of money to make a bike into a Brat or cafe style bike. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe for updates on the build, as well as my M3 build and the other cafe racer project we've got going. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.